Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Gala Games price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We are also holding below a significant low at around the $0.02984 mark. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and at the time of this recording we have been seeing a bit of a breakdown in a move that has now given us a low at around the $0.02716 mark, and that is after losing our micro areas of supports highlighted here on the charts using this white target area, which was a minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2. And having lost this minimum retracement area, we have now hit invalidation points for these one to set up to the upper side that are ahead here on the charts, and as a result we have now resorted to the alternative scenario, which is being given by this Elliot structure right here in blue. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you my short-term scenarios and what I'm expecting on the long-term view of Gala Games, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a recap of what has been happening on the long-term point of view, where you can see that after seeing our low down there, we started this massive bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot structures, where we first saw that 5 wave structure to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.06283 mark, and also completed the formation of that first wave to the upside. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum retracement area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, which is a target area that lies between the $0.03934 mark and the $0.0258 mark, which is the area highlighted here on the charts using this blue target area. And having seen a retracement into that target area in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.03 mark, initially I said to you that there are high chances that we have bottomed out in that wave 2, and we had started that impulsive move to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. But since we have now hit invalidation of our micro Elliott wave count over here, we are still in the formation of this wave 2, and at the time of this recording we have seen a reset of this low that we had made at around the $0.03 mark in a move that has now given us a low below the low at around the $0.03 mark, and that means that we are still in the formation of this wave 2, and whatever we have here on the charts is just a massive ABC corrective structure, where we can term these as the wave A, then a wave B, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is the formation of that wave C in a move that has now managed to get us a new low in the formation of that wave 2. And there are now high chances that in case we continue holding within this blue target area, then Gala Games will be able to start another massive pump to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, and also expect to see our 5 wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas in the formation of that wave 3. But for now, I can't confirm that we have seen the low for this second wave after seeing a reset of that low at around the $0.03 mark. And we need to be a little bit patient to see whether we are going to get further breakdown, or maybe a confirmation that the low for that second wave is in, before we can start our massive pump to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the Gala Games chart, on the short-term scenarios, and also on the long-term point of view. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 33 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices, but in case further breakdown continues, that will still be supported on the RSI. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.